Italy and Milan specifically is a hub of fashion, So people who are into luxury, as luxury brands and brand management and all of those courses that, typically Indians don't consider as a course. So those things are like very booming over here.
What are the students जिनके लिए demand है? Can you share like who can choose Italy?
I think like energy, mechanical, and even civil engineering. Okay, and aerospace to some extent, because you're graduating from Polyme, you are again like the elite class of aerospace engineers in this country. So obviously these four I would say. And other than that, there are also opportunities for electronics engineers as well, as because there are lot of electronics companies here. But computer science, I would say you can do the degree here because the cost is very less, and then obviously move back to India. Even India is better.
Absolutely, computer science, software hub, yeah.
And let's not miss the point that, just to add to what he already said, that Italy and Milan specifically is a hub of fashion, So people who are into luxury, as luxury brands and brand management and all of those courses that, typically Indians don't consider as a course. So those things are like very booming over here. So if you are a design student, if you are an architecture student, if you are into that brand management, then Italy is a perfect place for you, apart from the engineers that he already mentioned.
यही मेरा बैग फट गई मेरी ये भी बैग मेरा तोड़ देगा ओके चलो हाँ बच गया हाँ बताओ
I agree with this too much, but it's better, yeah. For the luxury management, here you have a good opportunities here, but the only thing is like the language. That's the only thing I suggest you. It's better you at least learn at least until A1 level
from India.
From India. So because here you have a community where you can enroll for Italian language courses. Until some A2 or B2 level. It depends upon you.
And it is free as well. It is free. Like commune basically means community centers for each commune. So there they provide a lot of like food things, like these language classes, and there are other helps they provide also. Some residence card or something, I don't know exactly, but they help you out a lot, so you can travel, go to the community centers there.
The good thing is it's totally free of cost. You don't have to pay anything for learning the language.
He is the one who is learning. And
Yeah.
सबसे ज़्यादा किसकी अच्छी इटालियन है कितना टाइम लगा एक साल
No, I'm still learning. But the thing is, I joined like last year, September or something. And so far, I think up to this level, I can understand the conversations. I can speak tuta puta. And but then again, yeah, there's more learning to be done. So hopefully, let's see by the end of the course.
The problem is like if you are handling the courses here in Polyme, you cannot handle all these together. Like another reason why computer science people, I don't think they come to Polyme is because of the course load. Here everything is extremely theoretical. Like it is like if you say India is theoretical, like it is 10 times more theoretical here. Like all the exams I've heard, like people go on Erasmus to different other universities. There they do projects. Here we write exams.
Oh my God.
Oral exams along with written exams.
Oh.
So it's like you have
a degree नहीं देंगे
मतलब इतना सच इतना डिफिकल्ट है मतलब थियोरेटिकल पे रट्टा मारना बहुत पड़ता है
Yeah, you cannot cover the entire syllabus if you do rattabazi.
Focus, understand everything in depth, and then we
Like
can just
most
at least
of the
give the
classes
paper.
will on average we'll have 8 hours of classes per week per subject. So like for the second and third semester I had around 32 hours of classes every week.
Yeah.
Like there are no labs, only classes, 32 hours.
That is sad. Like थोड़ा practical होना चाहिए.
I mean, it's exhaustive, but then again,
You get to
within the course itself, let's say that this India Mirror, if I compare it, like I did my bachelor's in mechanical engineering and I studied about so many stuffs, okay, but I didn't know कि pump कैसा दिखता है, compressor कैसा दिखता है. I studied about all the compression ratio, blah blah blah, but I never that I still manage and I passed by flying colors. So that being said, over here I feel first what they do is they assume that since the people are coming from different backgrounds, so first let's lay the the foundation, the base of what is about to come. And very more much, I would say that at the end of the course, they have some kind of project works, like you have to do the assessment of a wind power plant, or you have to design a solar power plant and something like that. So what I have seen, these things are something that you cannot do if you don't have that background knowledge. So I think it's a pretty much necessary also, and of course it's exhaustive. So you cannot expect to come in Polyme and not find it exhaustive. It's one of the best. The reason why it is the best, because it is based on a very structural learning.
True. And last thing is कि यहाँ पे less people speak English as compared to Germany, so language सीख के आना.